What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. Today I'm going to be painting the 89 OBS Chevy 1500. We got some eBay paint, and so I wanted to check it out, see what it was like, see if it was any good or not, and see what it was going to look like. My buddy decided, and his old lady decided on Plum Crazy Purple, so we're going to get into it, and then you'll get to see what it looks like. So here we go. Alright, so I'm blocking the truck and the bed. I'm going to get it shot with the eBay paint here shortly, but I want to try to make sure this is all smooth and clean. And so we're going to do all that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shoot it. It is kind of hot today, but I'm pretty sure it'll be just fine. So anyways, like I say, block, little X's. So we're going to finish blocking this, and then I'll get back with the painting. Alright, so now it's time to mix up the paint. This actually says 8 to 2 to 1, but I'm going to double that. So it's going to be 16, 20, 22. So I'll have 22 ounces of sprayable material. And I'm going to start off with the door jambs and the inside of the doors. Get those taken care of. Then I'm going to move out and do the bed, the tailgate, and the roll pan. So, alrighty, I'm gonna pop this open and see what we got. I kind of seen it the other day, but it is Plum Crazy Purple. It's from eBay. It's one shot. It's pretty. So, anyway. We're gonna get the first batch mixed up here, and then we'll get to shooting. And yes, even though it's 90 degrees outside, we still need a mask. Looks even better mixed. So fill her up. once you start, you kind of can't stop, because I don't know. But I will say this, I'm not very good with one-shot stuff. I never was. I do much better with base coat, clear coat. But anyways, we'll let this set for a while, and then we'll see what she looks like a little bit closer up. Alright, so I went ahead and I gave it a little flash time. It's about 12 minutes or so is what I gave it. And then I went ahead and I hit it with a second coat. So because I wasn't really impressed with the first coat, so I went ahead and I gave it another coat. So now I think I'm going to go around and kind of show you what it looks like. So, considering it was $140 some from eBay, I actually believe that the paint looks really good. It did take 2 coats to do it, and there are a few small spots that do still need some touch-up, which isn't that huge of an ordeal. I do have enough paint left to do that with. Get my airbrush and get a little batch mixed up so that I can do what few little spots need touched up. So anyways, I did get it untaped so that I could kind of see what's going on, and so obviously it'll still need buffed to finish it off, but by the time it gets, you know, set up and it gets aerated and stuff enough to actually do that, it'll probably be cold anyways because it's almost October. So anyhow, I sure do appreciate everybody, all the guys and gals watching, and I appreciate all my new subscribers that I've gotten here recently. I appreciate that. I also did want to mention real quick, I'm going to have some more stuff for the S10, well, the S15. I did get my window runs, so I'm going to be installing those. Well, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I sure appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications if you wish. And have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.